Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a AI coding platform which can generate full stack applications from a single prompt. The platform name is databutton.com. So if you go to the browser, simply type this address and this landing page will come right here. It's a very great alternative to tools like Claude, Cursor and Gemini. And right here you can sign in, create a simple account here, sign in with your Google account, and you will be landing on the dashboard area once you are authenticated successfully. So right here it will ask you the question what application you are building, so click on new app button right here. After that, just need to tell what sort of application you want to develop. So right in the text prompt I will simply write here, I will say build a image to PDF web app in browser. So I just want to build out an application which converts a bunch of images to PDF automatically in the browser, and I click continue, and it will say what are your requirements. You can even select a file or drag and drop everything. You can list out if you have any sort of file. I will simply click skip and just say let's get started. So automatically this will ask you some question right here. Just input your name, your company name, everything. And just click next. Just answer some questions right here. Click on complete. So now we just need to wait for some time. Your application is being built by this AI platform. So once it is completed, you will see a live preview of the application being constructed and also the full source code. So you just need to wait for some time. If you already have any sort of file or screenshot, you can upload here so that it can build out according to your UI. If you don't have any sort of screenshot, you can skip that and simply click on create app. So now it will take some time here. You just need to wait, and I'm showing you the entire process, how much time it takes, so you clearly know. So as you can see, it is in progress. It is building out your application and it is going step by step. So first of all, it build out a landing page with drag and drop image upload, then implement client side image to PDF conversion, add reorder, rotate, delete controls, add authentication touch points, deploy the first working version. And you can simply say, start task, just hit the buttons. So if you are happy with this approach, now simply click start task, and same goes with the next task once it is completed. So as you can see, it is installing the necessary packages which are required for this application. So it is building out a React application. It installed this package React drop zone for the drag and drop functionality. So it automatically detects which packages to install, and it is now constructing out the code right here. So once you log in, you basically get 20 credits. So in the free plan. So now if you do want to upgrade, you can upgrade to their paid plan as well. So the free plan is more than enough to test out the platform. So here you will see the preview of the app here. So these are all the files which it will create here. You will see on the left hand side, these are all the components. This is the overview of the app it constructed. Basically, this is your home page. This is the UI component, and these are different components head. So it constructed out this layout of the app, and you will see the live preview once it is completed. So it is built out this UI interface. It's a simple drag and drop feature where user can simply select their files. So once you open this, you can select a bunch of files right here, and the files will show right here, and a create PDF button like this. You can view this on different screen sizes, tablet, mobile phone as well. So as you can see, it's completely responsive, and this is actually the code that it has generated right here. You can see just on the left hand side, this is a simple React component, and so you can even click open preview and it will open in a new tab as well. So where you can actually see the interface. So this is your interface. You select a bunch of image files, and then we see this create PDF button. So if I click this, nothing will happen because we need to now go to the next step. So if you are happy with this result, you can simply say mark as done. And now we move to the next step here, which will implement the logic for converting your images to PDF. So simply start this task here. So now this task has been started by the AI. So now it is working. So I'm just happy with this platform, this step-by-step approach. So it basically split the entire process into multiple components. So each component does its own job and show you the result. So unlike other platforms which basically construct out the full app, this lets you just see the overall process and split across multiple components. So that's the thing is likable about this platform. So now it is actually writing the business logic of the application. So you can just see around the left hand side here, see the all these libraries which are used. So once it is completed, you will see the live preview. So you just need to wait for some time. So now if you see the live preview here, the application is now been updated to integrate the functionality of converting your images to PDF. So now if you can try this, simply select a bunch of images, and now if you see, you have different kinds of options. You can control the page size of the PDF, orientation, portrait or landscape, margin you can even control, and simply we have the button of create PDF. As soon as you click the button, so now it is converting all these images into PDF. So you will actually get a download option. So now we can basically also ask a follow-up question in this step. If you basically say it is not working, you can simply click this button. I can just ask a follow-up question. I selected the image and click the create PDF, but the download doesn't happen. So here we can ask a follow-up question for any particular step if your output is not coming. So you can feed this message to the AI. So then AI will look upon this, why it is not working, and you can see it will automatically catch the bug. So you can see that. So it is fixing out this file here to apply the necessary fixes. So just need to wait for some time. So now the fix have been applied. So it is saying that please refresh your application. Let me refresh this. So now select a bunch of images and click on create PDF, and now you can see that your application has been started working. So it has basically converted a bunch of images that I selected into a complete PDF document, and you can see that. So this is built out a fully functional application and right here in the browser itself, and now you can mark this as done. So now this step is also done. Now we can move to the next step here, which is reorder, rotate, delete controls, and instant PDF preview with enhanced progress. So now the basic functionality is complete. So now we are just adding some uh, quick little features on top of this application. So it also deploys your application as well. It gives you this unique URL so that you can share this with your friends to easily see the output. So it can be a great alternative to tools like Claude, Cursor, and Gemini. Definitely check out this databutton.com. This is the address. Simply type the prompt and then automatically the AI will start generating your full stack application and deploying it. And you will see the live preview as well. So now it is updating your app here to list out these features, which is reorder, rotate, delete controls, and instant PDF preview. So now you can check right here by refreshing your application. So now you can basically get these controls out there. We can reorder, change the orientation. We can even rotate the image as well. Like this, you will see all these controls are there for you. And we also get this preview PDF button right here itself. So if you just want to see a quick little preview without having to download the PDF, so you basically see right here itself. You see the preview right here. So this is a very handy feature. So again, click on preview. So now if you are happy with the result, you can click the download PDF button to actually download the file. So you can see this is a fully functional React application it has built for me, which converts a bunch of images to PDF. So it's perfectly working. Now we can mark this step as done as well. So now 3 steps are completely done. Now we are just remaining these uh, 4th step and the 5th one for deploying this application. So I personally very much like the platform. So from a single prompt, it built out a complete application, and also it can deploy this application as well. So it is just adding some basic history, running some database migration if any is required. So it has applied this migration successfully. So package is installed. Now it will create the history API. So now it will start creating this history.txt file right here. So it updated this, so you can see it first of all creates this project overview. From this it creates all the files that you see. So this is the file it is working right here. So it exactly shows you how many images you basically converted to PDF in the history page. just adding some database functionality to your application. So if you now refresh, it is successfully created the database for us. So if you see, if I select a bunch of images now, click on preview PDF, all these steps are perfectly working. If I click download, the file has been successfully downloaded. And basically you see this sign in functionality also added automatically. So once you click sign in, it has added this authentication model as well. So now the users using your app can also authenticate. So this is the, and the very last step is that you can click this mark as done, and then the very last step for deploying this working version. So click on start task. So this will deploy your application to a unique URL so that you can access it right here, giving it to anybody. Here you just need to enter your username. So let me just enter freemediatools, and now this will be your URL. Your app will be available at this URL. You can access and share it with anyone so that they can also see your application. So it is starting deployment, and now deployment has, so it is building out your entire application and deploying it. So now you can see that, guys, in a matter of minutes it built out a fully functional application and also given you this URL, working URL. You can copy this URL and open it in an incognito window. Let me just open this. So this can be any browser on the internet. Someone opens your URL, your application is deployed here. So now let me know if sign in with your account, perform a conversion and download the PDF. So yeah, you should be having the Databutton account here. So right here, if I open this from my next URL, so anybody opening this URL must have a Databutton account. So just allow them to sign in with here, and now your application is showing. So again, you can select, it's perfectly working. All these features, you can see that we can even rotate, preview the PDF, and then click on download. All the features are perfectly working. So definitely check out this platform, guys, Databutton AI, which builds out your entire application from a single prompt. So it can be a great alternative to Cursor, Gemini and Claude. So definitely check out this.